Hey everyone, welcome to the Willa channel. Today I'll show you how to get Rocket League on Steam. First, open Epic Games where you already have Rocket League installed. Click the three dots, then click Manage. Here, click Open Installation Location. This is where our game is located. Navigate to the binaries/win64 folder which contains the executable file. Copy this file path. Now open Steam and click Add a Game, followed by Add a non-Steam game. Paste the file path here and select Rocket League. Click Open, then click Add Selected Programs. Now if you go to your Steam library, you'll see Rocket League listed there. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.